This beautifully renovated old mill in the Sicilian countryside retains much of its original character while also feeling fresh, clean, and modern. With 2 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open-plan living space, this would make a unique holiday home or rental investment. The 1,000 square metre courtyard is large enough to install a swimming pool, and there is an additional 2,000 square metres of arable land included, which is about 100 metres from the property. The asking price is just €130,000. For more information about this property, including a link to the original listing and realtor's contact information, please visit the Houses We Love section of Live Your Dream Italy.